Good morning students. Today you will learn about formula and functions in MS Excel. A formula is an expression which calculates the value of a cell. Functions are predefined formulas and are already available in Excel. You can see the example of addition. This is the column name A. This is the row name 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Have taken here number 2 and 3. I have to add both number. After addition you will get answer 5. Okay. And how will do same thing using MS Excel? Means using MS Excel formulas. So here you can see that is your simple way, but using MS Excel, how will you do this? You have to take two numbers. Okay, then here you will write formula sum, enter formula, select a cell to let Excel know that you want to enter a formula. Have to type equal sign, isn't it? Okay, so that was your formula of addition, and now you have to see formula of subtraction. Again, just you have to change the sign. Here you will use minus sign. Okay, then you will get the result. Operator precedence. Excel uses order in which calculation occur. If a part of formula is in parenthesis, that part will be calculated first. Then perform multiplication or division calculation. Okay. First part means whatever formula you are watching over there in the parenthesis, that will be calculated first. Okay, this part. Then you have to copy and paste this formula, and you will get the result. So students, now I'm going to discuss about the questions that is based on previous video. First question is, what is mail merge? Mail merge is a handy feature that incorporates data from both Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel and allows you to create multiple documents at once, such as letters, saving you the time and effort of retyping the same letter over and over. Next question is, name two things that required before you can begin with mail merge. A Word document and a file with the data or records, means data source. Next question is, how can you save a master document in mail merge? Answer, to print your documents Click on in the print dialog box to save your documents. Choose Save as from the Office buttons menu. The merged documents appear all together in a single new document created by the mail merge. Next question is, write the steps required for sending an email using mail merge. Answer, choose finish and merge step, then send email messages. In the to box, choose the email address column or field from your mailing list. Now you have to note down Word sends an individual message to each email address. You can't CC or BCC other recipients. Next question, explain the use of mail. Explain the use of mail merge. Mail merge is most often used to print or email form letters to multiple recipients. Using mail merge, you can easily customize form letters for individual recipients. Mail merge is also used to create envelopes or labels in bulk. Homework for today is, what is the use of MS Word? What are output devices? Write two examples of input devices. What is computer memory? Explain its types. Thank you.